Hey y'all, happy Monday. I hope everyone had a fantastic weekend. I took it pretty easy this weekend. I did finish up my $10 Ibotta bonus on Saturday morning. So I took the rest of Saturday off and yesterday from couponing and just kind of relaxed a little bit, spent a little time with family. So that was much needed. But it is Monday again, back on the grind, and I am at my least favorite place to coupon. You guessed it, Walmart. I did get a midweek bonus for Ibotta this morning, so I wanted to start working on that. It's not much. It's $1 for 10 rebates, but I can usually hit that pretty easily, so I wanted to start knocking that out. I also wanted to share in this video some Ibotta deals that you can do, whether you have paper coupons, don't have any coupons. So for those working on that big Ibotta bonus, I know some people need 140 offers for $45. So if you're working on that, I'm rooting for you. Hope I can help you out this week. Gonna be showing deals here on YouTube and also on my Instagram. So be sure to check both out if you're not following one or the other. I guess if you're watching this, you're probably following me on YouTube, but you get what I'm saying. But I'm also gonna be doing some Shopkick deals and a Swagbucks Steal. So a lot going on in this video. Going to try to hit up 2 stores. But if the second one doesn't have anything, gonna grab a bulk of my stuff at this first one. So at least going to have a decent little haul for y'all. Hoping for it to be free, of course. And yeah, that's what I have planned for today, guys. So I'm gonna run on in there. But before I do, please make sure you guys are subscribed and that you have the notification bell turned on. So that way you guys don't miss any of my hauls or savings tips. All right, guys, let's run on in there.
Let's start off this haul with a Swagbucks Steal. You want to grab 3 of the palm olive dish soaps. You want to grab the 20 ounces that are $2. You can grab the Oxy, you can grab the antibacterial, or at this store I could also grab the Soft Touch. Just want to grab 3 of the ones that are $2 and qualify for the Swagbucks rebate where you get 500 Swagbucks back when you buy 3. So I'm just gonna grab 3 of the Oxy palm olives. I'm gonna pay $6 out of pocket, but then I'm gonna go ahead and upload my receipt to Swagbucks where I'll get back $5, making each one just 33 cents or $1 for all 3. While I was near the food, I had to come check out the clearance, and there really wasn't much that I saw here, but I did come across this Amy soups down here. They are $1 on clearance from $2.37, and there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, so that's gonna make 1 can of that just 25 cents after rebate. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know I stumbled across this deal the other day, and y'all, someone said this is a brand new product to Walmart, so if it is, I'm really not too sure why it's on clearance here, but these are normally like $6.50 a bag. They are the Impossible Chicken Nuggets, but here at this store, they are marked down to just $2. And we have an Ibotta rebate for $1.25 back, plus there's a Shopkick offer for a total of 430 kicks, 30 from scanning the product and 400 back from uploading receipt. So I'm gonna pay $2, get back $1.25 and 430 kicks from Shopkick, which is gonna make 1 bag of these a 97-cent moneymaker. This morning, Fetch Rewards gave me a new offer where I can earn 1,500 points by purchasing 1 Mountain Dew Zero. It specifically has to be the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar. And so I'm gonna buy one of those at $1.98. I'm gonna get back 1,500 points from Fetch, and that is going to make 1 20-ounce bottle of the Mountain Dew Zero just 48 cents. Here is a super easy deal that anyone can do using Ibotta. There are no paper coupons needed for this deal. You want to grab 2 of the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Mask. As you can see here, they are $2.68 each. Ibotta is giving back $3 for each one, making each one a 32-cent moneymaker, or in total a 64-cent moneymaker for both. This Colgate Cavity Protection toothpaste is $1.67. When I scan it on coupons.com, a $2 rebate pops up for it. So I'll get $2 back once I upload my receipt to coupons.com, and that'll make this a 33-cent moneymaker. Make sure you guys scan always your items on coupons.com to make sure they will attach to the rebate, because even though this one is $1.67 and so is this one doesn't attach. that one doesn't attach, and so forth. So always make sure you guys do scan on coupons.com. It is a newer feature on there that they did release several months back, so I do like that, so you don't have to guess whether or not the item you're going to purchase will attach to the rebate. So the other day I found these 2 boxes of L'Oreal Paris Excellence hair dye sitting right up here, and I scanned them and they rang up for just $1.50 each. I was waiting to get my new coupons in for this past weekend, and thanks to Amber for sending those to me. Y'all, she is the best. She sends them out on Thursday and I get them by Saturday, just in time for the new week to start on Sunday. So it's absolutely perfect. So if you want to order coupons from her, be sure to follow her on Instagram. I will have that below, her link to her Instagram, and then you can order from there. So thanks again, Amber. So since these are $1.50, that's $3 total. I have a $5 off manufacturer coupon. So that's gonna actually make these free at checkout, plus give me $2 in overage to work with. So super excited about this deal. So I'm sure most of y'all have seen this deal. It's not new. I've only done it a couple times because this deal is really going to be for those who want to submit tickets for Shopkick. Some people have said this has worked for them, like it's gone through no problem, but I've done it twice and had to submit a ticket twice. But I grab one of these either Tresemme trial size shampoos or conditioners, and then you can grab either the hairspray or I believe the mousse. I just been doing the hairspray since I don't use mousse, for $1.97, and then you can submit to Shopkick for 1,100 kicks back for buying both, which makes this $1 and something moneymaker, which is pretty good. But like I said, this has not gone through smoothly for me either time that I've submitted my receipt. So if you're okay with submitting a ticket or the potential of submitting a ticket, then you can do this deal for a pretty decent moneymaker. Let's do a deal using paper coupons and Ibotta to grab a quick freebie. These Nivea Men creams are $2.92. It does say it is for the face. So this $2 off one manufacturer's coupon does work on this product. So you will pay $2.92 out of pocket. Then upload your receipt to Ibotta, where you'll get back $1, making this free plus a pretty small moneymaker. Also, y'all, there is a 50-cent bonus when you purchase this twice. I've already redeemed that, so that will not be in my transaction, but just keep in mind if you do this deal twice, you will get an additional 50 cents. Rounding out our haul at this store, we're gonna grab one of these Skye Organics organic cotton rounds. They are $2.48 each. There is a $2 rebate on Ibotta, which will make one pack just 48 cents. These are perfect for those who were able to grab that free toner last week, courtesy of Ibotta. So I'm definitely grabbing one of these to use with that. All right, y'all, here is a look at my final cart. 14 items in total. About to head to checkout. And then I'm planning on going to another store. If not, this will be my final haul. But I'm gonna go check out another store here in a minute and see what else I can find. But this should be all free. Alright, y'all, I am at store number 2, and for the first deal, I'm going to grab one of these Jurgen's Natural Glow Daily Moisturizers. Only grabbing one because they only have one of the fair to medium skin tones. As you can see, they have more, but those are medium to deep. This deal does not work on the medium to deep moisturizers for some reason, so make sure yours says fair to medium. I originally shared this deal on Instagram on Friday. You're gonna pay $1.97, and then you're gonna get back $2 on Ibotta, making it free plus a very small moneymaker. Here is an easy moneymaker deal using Ibotta. You wanna grab 3 of these Char hazelnut wafers for $1.48 each. I have a $2 rebate on Ibotta, which is gonna make each one a 52-cent moneymaker. Okay, y'all, didn't find much else at this store, but I did find this $2 L'Oreal foundation in the clearance section. It is $2. And then we got this coupon in this past weekend's insert, so that is going to be free. Okay, y'all, I'm all done wrapping up this mini haul and heading to checkout.
All right, y'all, I'm all finished up. I just finished eating lunch and crunched the numbers while I did that, and so I'm pretty stoked to tell you guys how much we made on this haul. But first, I want to give you guys a recap on how it went uploading my receipt to the rebate apps. I got all my credit from Ibotta already, which is awesome. That's the one thing I do love about shopping at Walmart is with Ibotta, you can just either scan the barcode at the bottom or type in the code and you pretty much get the credit instantly. Sometimes with like H-E-B and Kroger, it may take them even a day or two to process it. So I do love that about Walmart and using Ibotta. So got all the credit for that. For Swagbucks, I did get the credit. I want to remind you guys that to put your Swagbucks items on a separate receipt makes it a lot easier for Swagbucks to find them. If you're still having trouble with Swagbucks, I have another tip for you guys, and I recommend using the app Tada. So what Tada is, it essentially just looks like Swagbucks, but you can actually clip the offer on Swagbucks and upload your receipt on Tada. They're linked, and so it makes it really easy to upload your receipt. And every time I use that, I don't seem to have an issue because I got my credit right away. So if you're still having trouble with Swagbucks and just getting your receipts to process, make sure to try using Tada. And if that doesn't work, I'm kind of out of options for you, but give that a try. And then I also got my 1,500 plus a few extra points on Fetch. I'm just waiting for my coupons.com offer to process as well as Shopkick. But y'all, all in all, it came out to about a $5 moneymaker and we grabbed 20 items. So pleased with that. And I wanted to also tell you guys that if you don't know, I have all of my referral links in the descriptions for all of the rebate apps that I use, the ones in this video, as well as some other ones that I frequently use. So if you're not signed up for any of those rebate apps, please make sure to do so. That way you can get in on these savings. All right, y'all, I'm finished up for the day. I hope everyone has an awesome week. And before you go, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Bye, guys.